The Fox, the Cock, and the Dog. Once upon a moonlit night, a sly fox was prowling around a farmer's hen coop, his eyes glinting with mischief as he spotted a plump cock roosting high up on a perch, well out of his reach. The fox, always on the lookout for an easy meal, decided to use his cunning to lure the cock down. "Good news, good news!" the fox cried out, his voice dripping with false excitement. Cock, curious and slightly suspicious, looked down at the fox. "Why, what is that?" he asked, cocking his head to one side. "King Lion has declared a universal truce," the fox announced with a grin. "No beast may harm a bird from now on. All animals shall live together in harmony and brotherly friendship." Cock's eyes widened in surprise. "Why, that is indeed good news," he said. Then, pretending to look far off into the distance, he added, "And I see someone coming with whom we can share this wonderful news." The fox, eager to keep up the charade, asked, "What is it you see?" The cock replied, "It is only my master's dog coming towards us." "What, leaving so soon?" he continued as he noticed the fox beginning to back away. "Will you not stay and congratulate the dog on the reign of universal peace?" The fox, realizing his plan had backfired, quickly made excuses. "I would gladly do so," he said, his voice quivering slightly, "but I fear he may not have heard of King Lion's decree." With that, the fox turned tail and slunk away into the night, disappearing into the shadows from where he had come. Cock watched him go, a satisfied smile on his beak. Cock had cleverly used the fox's own deceitful nature against him, turning the tables and ensuring his own safety. As the dog finally arrived, the cock felt a wave of relief wash over him. He knew that with his loyal friend by his side, he was safe from the likes of the cunning fox. Cock settled back onto his perch, feeling a sense of triumph and security. The moral of the story is simple yet profound. Always be wary of those who might have hidden motives, and remember that sometimes using your wits and thinking on your feet is the best defense against trickery. Cock's quick thinking and cleverness had saved him from becoming the fox's dinner, proving that intelligence and a good friend are powerful tools against deceit. And so, under the gentle glow of the moon, the cock and the dog shared a peaceful night, knowing that as long as they had each other, they could outsmart any challenge that came their way. The cock's clever use of the fox's own trickery against him serves as a timeless reminder that with a little wit and wisdom, even the smallest of creatures can stand up to the most cunning adversaries.